With this ATVG video, you'll see 4 installs on a Can Am Outlander 700. We are going to show you placement ideas, wiring paths, things to watch out for, and point out some potential trouble areas you'll want to be prepared for. This is how we installed far mudding chasing halos, Can Am heated grips, Can Am handguards, and a KFI A2500 winch. The original OEM grips are on there quite well, glued almost all the way around. Just have to adjust the positioning of the brakes so we can slide them down in order to get the grips on.
Oh yeah, she's a little tough. Yeah, my way. I can do that. That falls right where that. Why doesn't that go in all the way?
Check that out.
Everything's
Okay.
a stretch.
Yeah. So far, Sean's got the hand grips on. Had to slice these things, pull them off, hammer this back in place. Figured out that this piece goes over the brake connection point, but it ended up fitting properly. And then the throttle itself, once you take that apart,
Gotta reposition this guy for the heated one.
yeah.
But yeah, look at what we got here. They give us this connection. It's supposed to be this.
Yes.
Thanks, BRP.
So that's one thing to note. That's probably where we're going to try to tie in at one point, but the Outlander 700 doesn't have a quick connection with this particular heated grip
BRP,
kit.
get with the program.
Once getting into the battery box down below, looks like it will take on mud if you give it a chance to do so.
Wiring on the switch.
That's how much mud was up in his battery. Now what's cool about these far mudding chasing halos is they come with a whole wiring harness kit, but it has a heat sink on it, which is interesting.
What's that?
Because the other style just dissipates heat.
Oh.
The other, for this kind, for the new style.
I'm here, and then where do you go now?
Now we're just looking up to check out some instructions. You can go to their website for the install guide itself. Just trying to finalize where exactly we want to link in to the Outlander's wiring.
That goes in there.
Alright, for the far mudding,
And then you can run this and follow the wiring harness all the way to the battery.
and we're actually going to run a switch in here as well for right now, coming back. That'll be sitting up front. But yes, it looks like the module does fit down in there. It's the black box right there.
Okay. I can't get it out now.
And
it's stuck in there.
And the heatsink itself.
It's not going anywhere else.
They fit very well. There's still space without even having to drill anything.
Keep my fingers.
You can feed it up underneath.
The rest of the lights, bud.
Right up over the top. You come through, and we'll follow the
bag.
wiring harness all the way around up into the top of the control module. So these are pretty straightforward. It does not look like we're going to have to take any of the lights off like you do in the old style.
Right there. Ooh. Can you see them over there?
It's probably, it's going to reduce my lights already.
Right there. Right there. Ha-ha!
Nice.
Yeah,
Alright.
Probably.
yeah, it probably will reduce my lights, but it won't,
Not much.
it won't have
man,
the
you can-
wideness.
Yours are so stinking bright, I don't think it'll matter.
And it might go right through the center of them. So that will be an interesting experiment to see.
It looks so cool already.
Oh yeah. Lining that up. I'm going to route them a little bit different. Whereas here we put it at the top and it comes out, we're going to flip that upside down. This one can still go out through the top, but it's sitting higher. It's gonna look a lot better, see less of the wire.
So you're saying you want like that down in that corner.
I think that'd be less noticeable for the wiring.
The lights are so flexible. You can move them anywhere.
Yeah, there's a lot more space here than working with the old style round headlights. They're all locked in.
I just don't like that sharp edge on the wire.
Oh, sitting of the plastic trim.
Yeah.
A little bit of, tiny bit of trimming made that one fit so that it wasn't sharp against the plastic. I'm gonna switch that one around so it goes down also. So left side, running the wires down, and right side, running the wires up. And that just tucks them the best.
Oh, somebody's gonna have to get up there and catch this one.
Pull them, sure.
Yeah, it's right there. Somebody can stick their finger up. See it wiggling? Yep, right there. Pull up.
Yes.
Good. Alright, one more. You got zip ties here?
Yep.
Sweet.
Alright, there's the wires coming from that side.
Just don't want these getting away.
And with these, they're just plug and play. Pretty straightforward.
Better be for 250 bucks.
There it goes.
Test run. It's working. As he's playing with a controller over here.
Playing with something.
Whoa.
Ooh. Ah. Sounds like the 4th of July. Oh, those are cool.
Yeah, you're gonna have some fun with these, Austin. It's cool.
Oh, those are bright. That's cool.
Yeah.
These are bright. Just do red. See what red looks like.
So for now, this is where the switch is. That came with the fire mudding halos. We just put that in until we've got a square switch to put in place for that. And use the step bits to drill the hole. They work great. I do want to point out when looking at this is the headlights are a little bit rounded. And so the flat design of these doesn't sit perfectly on them. And even showing here, it's not catching. So these things may actually require some epoxy like the old style ones do. And it's sticking decently right now, but I don't know how long term that's going to be. Yeah, after putting this other one on, it's definitely going to need epoxy to fill in the gap right here. No doubt about it. Alright, we got them stickered into place with a tape, and probably will end up adding some epoxy just to make sure, just because there is some curvature, but even right now they're holding up. Just want to double it up just to make sure, because once mud starts getting down in there they probably could fall off, but they look good so far. There's running the wires up around, down through. Came out to the lights. It's nice because of the factory wiring harness. It's just easy to line up to and come across with.
That's the prettiest it's ever going to be.
KFI 2500.
Take a picture.
Ooh.
You'll never see it this clean ever again.
Not with Austin driving.
Oh, I like that. It has the outside
Nice and easy
instead of
to turn.
the inside like my my Can Am one is.
Oh yeah? Doesn't have a switch like that?
No, it's on the inside, so when it gets caught up with mud, it's a lot harder to open and close.
Sheesh. Got it finagled in. Now we just gotta see if the 4 bolt holes line up. This is without using the winch plate.
Yep, hey, line up.
They line up?
Uh-huh.
Nice. Alright. Good news.
Right there. The cable comes through. Alright, yeah.
Yeah, don't need a winch plate. Thank you, Can Am, for making it easy on this one.
It wasn't Can Am, it was KFI. KFI looking out for us.
Well, yeah, for that, but Can Am's the one who made it so they've got the 4 holes there already. You can just put any winch right on.
I'll give you that one.
Yeah. I love it. Decided we're going to put some spacers on there to raise it up, so that way the cable can come through from the bottom side and not from the top.
I think I got an idea.
You can do it. Enough spacers to lift it?
I think I got an idea. No.
A little bit of finagling to get those spacers under there.
A little. Aha.
Nice.
I won.
Yeah, actually that worked well. So 2 spacers on both sides, right? Is that what you ended up
That's what I
installing?
did, yeah.
Yeah. Nice. So at the moment, this is the wiring for the winch itself, right?
Yep.
The solenoid. Still trying to determine a good spot to stash the solenoid.
Going anywhere?
Alright, this is where we decided to put the solenoid.
Yeah, I haven't cut my tails yet.
And it is,
Somebody took my cutters.
yeah, but it is a good spot and it's hidden well by the plastics. So it's in a safe position. Showing some of his handiwork here. That's the solenoid. Running it. And down to the winch. Works well. Sean's so confident in his work, he's putting it back together before we've tested anything.
Yes, I know. Why isn't that going in?
This is something that's exciting. The easy access of a spark plug on this thing. As a Renegade owner, that gets me way too excited to see that. So we got it on. Unfortunately, one of them's not working.
Blue that time.
So something in here happened while we were fastening it down. Checked the wires already, flip-flopped them.
Like to red.
So I
Let's see
have to
if we
find
do a
out what's
mode.
going on with that. Alright, we got
I know
the
it's
heated
upsetting.
grips. Austin's bumming because we got a,
But we will get another one.
yep, it's a nice thing.
All this now.
Just that
Just
corner,
that
just
bit.
that one. You know, that's the nice thing about having a warranty. We just got to pull that one short little wire coming up. So, talking maybe 5 minutes.
Okay, this goes on that
Got
side.
that all installed. Got the winch controller locked in the top. Guards. It's a good day. Except for that light being out.